Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel. So recently I purchased the Redmi Note Band Pro, and in this video we will be discussing about some of the hidden features of this band which are really great, and this type of hidden features makes this smart band a real awesome choice in the price point in which it comes. And some of the features are so good that these features are not even available in costly smartwatches. So we will see all the hidden features of this band which are really useful. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are at enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. So this is the Redmi Smart Band Pro, and you can see the name of the product is a long one. So the name they have given it is Redmi Smart Band Pro Sports Watch. So is it a watch or a smart band? Ask Xiaomi. So the first hidden feature is the automatic workout detection. So the automatic workout detection feature is there in very few smartwatches. As you all know that I have the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. That smartwatch doesn't have that automatic workout detection feature, but this band has. Although it is limited, it has 3 auto detect workout modes. It can detect the running, the treadmill and walking, and definitely this works really well because last night I was working with this watch and it detected that I am walking and was telling me to activate the workout modes with a walking symbol on it, which is really great for a smart band. This smart band detects which workout are you doing and definitely will be notifying you to activate the relevant workout on there. The second feature which is really useful and is a hidden feature is the Bluetooth disconnection feature. So all the times it happens that our smart bands are connected with the phones we have, and we use our smart bands to get the notifications on our bands only because we don't want to see our phone all the time. But in cases when it gets disconnected, when you are away from your phone, you will be not getting the notification, and in that case you can miss some important notifications. So Redmi has introduced this feature which is the Bluetooth disconnection feature. To activate this, you have to go to the settings of this band, and here you will be getting the option of Bluetooth. You have to just turn the Bluetooth disconnection alert feature. So once you have turned on that feature, if I am switching off Bluetooth, you will be getting a disconnection alert that it is disconnected, so you will not miss any important notifications out there, which is a really great feature. So you should be getting a notification whenever your band will be disconnected. Third hidden feature, which is a really amazing feature, is the always on display this band comes with. So the always on display is very limited in this band. Right now you are getting only a digital always on display, but definitely it can be an useful feature. So to activate the always on display, you just need to come to the display option, and here you will be getting the always on display. You just need to turn it on. So definitely once it is turned on, you just need to go back into the home screen. You'll be able to see the always on display up there. So this is the always on display with some basic information it comes with, but definitely a useful feature you will be getting in the smart band which is named as the Redmi Smart Band Pro. So the fourth hidden feature is the pin feature which this band comes with. So you can set a pin to lock the band. So for this you need to come to the settings option, and if you scroll down you will be getting the pin option. Here you can see that there is an option of setting the pin. So I will be setting pin as 1 2 3 4 for right now, and once I have set the pin, you will be seeing that you will not be able to unlock the band and start the band from the home screen because this band is locked right now. So you have to give the correct passcode in here to enter into the band to change the functions and the band displays. So I am giving the correct pin, and you can see it has been unlocked, and now I will be able to use my band as it is. So really great feature. If you want a band not to be used by any other people or person other than you, you can use that pin feature to lock this band temporarily, and you will be only able to access the band once you give the correct pin in there. These are some of the hidden features of this Redmi Smart Band Pro right now, and we will be seeing a lot of improvements in the brand with the coming updates, and maybe a lot of features will be added. So definitely I will be making more videos on this band and will be comparing with the other smartwatches I have with me right now. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.